up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. This one's going to be a little bit more of a riding vlog. I feel like I'm just going to come out here and kind of rip around. We've just been getting hammered with storms lately, so the dirt is pretty nice, except for the spots with the mud. Other than that, it's beautiful out. Anyways, quick topic. And that topic is, if you've been with this channel for a while now, you may have noticed that I do kind of three different types of vloggings. On the dirt, on the street, and of course on the Hawk. Because the Hawk is its own genre, because that's got its own fan base. And I've got some unfortunate news for y'all that like the Hawk. Anyways, we'll get to that here in just una mente. So, the changes you may have noticed that have been on this channel is there haven't been any street vlogs in quite some time, like since winter. And that's because I've been finding myself at a bit of a creativity dilemma. And the dilemma is that I'm not really that interested in doing the street vlogs anymore. I really don't think I'm funny, or that funny, to be watching just ride around on the street. Like, if you guys want street vlogs, there's plenty of other street vloggers out there that can act goofy and dopey and suit your taste. I just don't feel like I was really meeting that criteria, and that's okay. If I can't do it, or if I don't feel like I'm doing it well, I don't want to do it, you know what I'm saying? So, you guys might get a street vlog here and there. It's hard to say, depending on how inspired I'm feeling. Oh god, it's so whoopy out here. So depending on how I'm feeling, you guys might get a street vlog here and there. Oh, rock underneath. Alright, now comes the really unfortunate news for you Hawk lovers. And if you had guessed I had sold the Hawk, you would be correct. And I know that's unfortunate because like at least half of my fan base, at least, come for the Hawk videos. Whew, so muddy through here. We're not gonna whip it too hard for reasons like that. I know. Don't be a puss, go through the mud. I don't want to go through the mud. I don't want to. Man, this would be such a fun little trail if it wasn't so muddy. Ooh, big holes. Through the mud. The biggest problem I have with those mud puddles is there's lots of pockets in these trails. Like, it looks like you can make it, and then all of a sudden it's like 2 feet deep and just bloop. Anyways, what was I saying about the Hawk? So, the Hawk is gone. And I know you guys are going to be very upset with me, some of you, because I get in my comments a lot, like, hey, do a Hawk vlog. Hey, is this a good bike? Hey, listen, watch out. You know, those sort of things. Legend of Zelda and all that. But I get a lot of that in my comments. So I know the Hawk is popular. Uh-oh, I've come to the wrong neighborhood, motherfucker. This is kind of the jeeping territory over here. So, with that gone, I hope you guys don't leave me. I hope you're here for me and not so much my toys. But I understand if you do. Because I don't think I'll be buying another Hawk. And it's nothing against the Hawk at all. If I could have kept it, I would have. Should I have kept it? Probably. But I didn't. because I bought a new bike. And no, it's not a Chinese bike. It's a Suzuki V-Strom. Because I want to do a little bit of adventuring, you know? An adventure type series. Maybe go to the mountains. Oh god. Whoops. Yeah, maybe go over into the Montana mountains, you know? And take you guys along with me. And just because I really like that bike. I'll do a video on it here in the future. But, train of thought. Must get it back. Those rough areas just kind of totally remove your train of thought. What was I saying? Hawk is gone. Got a V-Strom. Everybody's gonna be unhappy. Just for a little disclosure there, the Hawk was a good bike, and anybody that wants to get one should. It's a great little bike to beat on and not feel guilty. But I needed something new in my life. Something that could leave the town limits, you know? Bismarck isn't the biggest city in the world. In total, we have a population of maybe a little under 100,000 for the Bismarck-Mandan areas. Which is not bad, but anything in any direction is about 100 miles. So you can't really take the Hawk out on the interstates and whatnot. And that's pretty much why I got rid of it. Just it didn't have a big enough purpose in my life. There's no back roads that go anywhere around Bismarck, so yeah, I had explored all the roads I wanted to, and that's that. I hope you guys don't hate me. So anyways, back to the final point of what I've been trying to get at here, and that is, you've noticed it's been mostly just dirt bike vlogs, and there's a reason for that, and that's because I have the most fun on the dirt bike as far as vlogging goes. It's harder to talk, but it's more fun to rip around. Oh, that used to be a jump. Man, there's people all over the beach out there. Wrong gear. Oh, more whoops. Whee! Yeah, the dirt bike's the most fun to record on. And it's the most fun I have while riding. And anybody that wants to get a dirt bike really should. It's the most freedom you can have on a motorcycle. It really is. Assuming you're doing it in a spot that allows motorcycling. Because you are absolutely 100% free. No roads, no cops, no obnoxiously large tickets that I may have gotten on the Jigsaw the other day. And yeah, get a dirt bike. And if you're not here for the dirt bikes, I'm sorry. That's what this channel's gonna mostly be now. That and just a little adventure series on the V-Strom. Just because that's what I enjoy to watch, and that's what I enjoy to make. Guys, some of the trails out here are really nice, and then others are just sloppy. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say. I don't know. that's pretty much the conversation at hand. So, summarize real quick. It's going to be a dirt bike channel. Graham and I planning on making more trips, doing more things on the dirt bike. He's going to start racing. I'm not. I don't think I'm good enough, but he's going to go and attempt racing. He got a new KTM 250, the motocross version of this bike. Seems to really enjoy it. So I don't know if he'll be recording any of that. So any of you guys that follow him, he might be posting videos, might not. He's pretty bad about posting videos. He still hasn't posted our trip to the Glendive Hills. Or for anyone that wants to know what they're actually called, that's local, the Short Pine Hills. Or Short Pine Recreational. That's where that last video is from. The one with all the tall slopes and huge hill climbs and whatnot. We were planning on going to Billings, actually. Billings has a professional level hill climb there, nationally accredited hill climb, but we got rained out really badly the day before, like flood warning rained out, and we went to check out the hills, and just to get into that shit show is a fucking hill climb. Just to get into the riding area, there's a big motherfucking hill climb, which was crazy, and it was huge. It was like it was bigger than pretty much anything we had done the day before in Glendive. It was just monstrous, and with it being wet, we didn't want to attempt it, which I think is understandable. In my brain it is anyways. I didn't want to get on the side of a fucking cliff after it had just been raining. So I'm sorry I didn't get you guys footage of that. That video you got was supposed to be a 3-part series. We were gonna ride every day. Every day, but we actually only got 1 day of riding. Ah, the whoops! The whoops! I give up, I don't like these. These things have killed more forks than what should be socially acceptable. You probably can't see it because I'm standing, but if I was sitting, you'd see the handlebars going up and down. Log. Yeah, as soon as I find another patch, I'll show you what I'm up against. I'll just sit through them. I'll continue to talk while I do that, but we didn't get, see, that's what we're dealing with. Just fucking 1, 2. Although this isn't the bad spot, this is where it actually clears out a little. Back there is just non-stop. But guys, I failed you on, here, I'll show you the sea of whoops. You guys have seen this many times in my videos, but I've never sat through it. See, just fucking, you can't even like do anything against it. And then it gets real bad here because it starts to go uphill. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is what we're up against. I know on the camera it doesn't look like much, but it's just down, up, just abrupt downs and ups. That was me sitting through the whole thing. I'll go faster so you can see the difference. Oh man, everything's flooded around here. We can't even get out to the beach right now. neutral. See, you can't even see him when I stand. And then you go downhill. And then it goes into a turn, a right-hander. And that's the Sea of Whoops. Doesn't look like anything when you're going across it, but man, you hit that sucker, she's nasty. Alright, I want to get off this whoop. The whole backside of this desert is whoops. All whoops, all the way back. What a nice day out. It's a shame Graham couldn't come. We've been trying to get out to ride for the last week. But like I said, man, thunderstorms. Non-stop. Midwestern fucking torrential downpours. Ugh, I'm getting that arm pump. Those whoops, they just wreck you. Oh, hey guys. Also, I got new pants. They're wonderful. They're Vox Racing. Much better than those O'Neill whatever I had. These actually have leather on them, and I can grip the bike. Graham had always been telling me, oh, you gotta grip with your knees. Gotta grip with your knees. And I was like, what the fuck does that mean? Grip with your knees? I can't grip with my knees. My pants just freaking slide. Oop, Jesus. Mud. Oh. Well, that's unfortunate. Ugh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, damn it. Everything's gonna be so slippery now. Anyways, if you like that video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sellout27. Or maybe I'm Ulrich27. I think that's probably more accurate. I'm Ulrich27. And until next time, peace. Oh, peace.